Magandang araw. Ngayon ipag-aralan natin ang integers part 7. So ngayong araw ay pag-uusapan natin ang division of integers. So nung nakaraan, pinag-aralan natin yung multiplication of integers. So paano naman mag-divide ng integers? Ganun lang din po. Paanong ganun din? So positive divided by positive, ang sagot ay positive. Then negative divided by negative equals positive pa rin. So ngayon, paano pag magkaiba? Positive divided by negative equals negative. Then, likewise, pag binaligtad natin, negative divided by positive equals negative. May na-observe po kayo? Yes. So, pareho lamang po ang rules natin when it comes to dividing and multiplying integers. So, proceed na tayo sa number 1. Positive 21 times divided by positive 3. So, ganun din po. I-divide natin yung numbers as is. 21 divided by 3 ay 7. Then, pareho positive divided by positive. Pareho ng sign, so, positive. So, ang sagot natin dito ay positive 7. Next, positive 27 divided by 9. So, 27 divided by 9 ay 3. So, ngayon, ito positive, ito walang sign. Tandaan, pag walang sign, automatic positive. So, pareho sila ng sign, so, positive. So, ang sagot natin dito ay positive 3. Next naman, negative 8 divided by negative 4. Again, i-divide natin yung numbers as is. 8 divided by 4 ay, yes, we have 2. Then, negative. Then, at negative. So, parehas ng sign, kaya positive. Next, number 4, positive 36 divided by negative 6. So, 36 divided by 6 ay, yes, we have 6. Then, tingnan natin yung sign, positive, ito ay negative. So, magkaiba, negative. Then, number 5, negative 12 divided by positive 3. So, 12 divided by 3 ay 4. Then, negative divided by positive, magkaiba ng sign, so negative. Kaya ang answer natin dyan ay negative 4. Next, 40 divided by negative 10. So, 40 divided by 10 ay, yes, 4. Then, ito ay walang sign, automatic positive. Ito ay negative, so magkaiba ng sign, negative. So, ang sagot ay negative 4. Next, 28 divided by, negative 28 divided by positive 7. So, ang sagot ulit ay 4. Aba, apat na 4 na yan ah. So, tuloy lang natin. So, ito ay negative, ito ay positive, so negative. So, ang sagot natin ay negative 4. Ito, tatlo na yung numbers natin. Positive 3 divided by negative 1 divided by positive 2. So, kung mapapansin niyo parang medyo magiging iba yung sagot natin. Sige, change natin tong 2 sa 1. Again, ulitin natin ha, yung 2 magiging 1 na lang yan. Ayan. So, baguhin natin para whole number pa rin yung sagot natin. So, positive 3 divided by negative 1 divided by positive 1. So, unahin natin to 3 divided by negative 1. So, ang sagot natin dyan ay 3. So, positive tapos negative. So, ito ay negative. Then, may isa pang natitira yung divided by positive 1. So, divide lang natin 3 divided by 1. Ano ba yan? Nabulol na. Ulit, negative 3 divided by positive 1. So, 3 pa rin. So, negative tapos positive. So, negative. Then, next tayo, positive 10 divided by negative 5 divided by negative 1. So, ito muna i-divide natin. O pwede nang dire-diretso yan eh. 10 divided by 5 ay 2. Then 2 divided by 1 ay 2 pa rin. Then ito ay positive divided by negative. So ang sagot ay negative. So negative divided by negative ay positive. So ang sagot ay positive 2. Then dito naman pinaghalo. Negative 4 times negative 3 divided by negative 2. Ano naman kaya ang sagot dito? So hintayin natin ano. Tandaan, positive divided by positive, positive, negative divided by negative, positive. Then, positive divided by negative ay negative. Or, pag pareho ang sign, positive. Pag magkaiba ang sign, negative. So, that is the last part of integers, part 7, division of integers. Sana ay may natutunan kayo. Thank you and God bless.